It took strength, determination, and grit to be made in America. It was a mark of pride, tenacity, and iron will to get things done. We built the best for the best, and we're proud of it. But with stress to the nation's critical supply chain and demand for products customers can trust, Made in America has never been more important. That's why at Elbit America, we're expanding our 6 secure manufacturing plants across the nation and building the future of ground combat systems with a new 135,000 square foot facility in Charleston, South Carolina. It's why we've invested hundreds of millions of dollars over the last 5 years into American industries and why we continue to partner with over 500 suppliers across the country. Who are we? We are over 3,300 employees in 15 locations across the nation, putting American grit back into manufacturing. We are creative innovators, forging the future for our warfighters, law enforcement, commercial pilots, and border agents, so they can return home. And we are American ingenuity and willpower, working to protect citizens through medical advancements. But Made in America is more than just manufacturing. It's about giving back to our local communities. And as the largest employer in some of these communities, we don't take our responsibility lightly. It's about doing what's right for each employee, each customer, and each of our communities. We pride ourselves in growing American jobs and serving countless hours volunteering to support our local organizations and our veterans. We stand by our principles to protect and save lives. It's time we honor hard work, sweat, and determination. At Elbit America, we're proud to be made with American grit.